Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalakshi Swami. As usual, I'm coming up with Nifty levels for tomorrow based on the India VIX. India VIX has closed, it has decreased to 0.59%, that is 14.3. Based on that, I've calculated daily high to be 22,642 and daily low to be 22,306. Weekly low to be 22,028 and weekly high to be 22,920. So these are the levels you should mark on your chart and note down as a guideline. So it will be these are the ranges between 22,642 to 22,306 may be the range for tomorrow. Now, Nifty has closed in between, halfway to the daily high, halfway to the daily low. So it has closed positively around 22,470. In my live tips, I cautioned everybody that it is going to reverse at this level. So probably all of you might have enjoyed the trade, and I anticipated for the trade up to 22,354, and amazingly it went past all the levels, all-time high 22,467. So that I could not make the video, but if you are a price action trader, you will come to know how to trail your stop loss and to be on the trade. So exactly here it started reversing, and also you can see the moving averages aligned themselves. They were aligned in a proper way, 10 above the 20, 20 above the 50. This is the proper trending structure. So probably this move can continue to the target of daily high to be 22,642. Let me measure using the fifth tool, because since it is in an uncharted territory, we need to take the mathematical calculations to see it exactly comes to 1.618 comes to 22,623. Here, before going up, market has consolidated. So there is an order block here. So immediate support is around, let me change it to measured move so that immediate support is around 22,452. So 452 to 428. Suppose if it takes support around this level, this trendy move can continue. Maybe sometimes what happens, there will be gap up from this level. Gap up will take place from this level. So what a move, what a reversal it is. So 22,200 call option around this area, it was trading around 101. It rallied up to more than 358. That is an zero hero trade, not hero zero hero trade. So that's how one can make money if you are on the right track. Actually, my trading tips, live trading tips might have helped you, all of you people. Unfortunately, people are not viewing my channel. Even though I'm giving good content and selfless analysis, without many YouTubers, they go for money seeking videos. I'm not doing that selfless service. At least all of you should watch the video, take the benefit of that, and also you should give thumbs up and appreciation so that I will have more energy, enthusiasm to do more such videos, educational videos. See how I was able to notice this. Notice this trade is, see what happened in the 15 minutes time frame. It was a very, very congested fall in the market. Here, when it was falling here, I'm on the 15 minutes chart. Here, one inside bar made, and this is an outside bar taking it, but it is closing inside the range. If I put the range, can you see the range? It was closing inside the range and it started making trendy move. It started making higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And here you can see an inside bar and followed by the outside bar. Then next inside bar, small bar, and the continuation. By that time, already market started converging. Moving averages started converging. If you go to the lower time frame, you can see the convergence very early over here. See, it made an higher high, retest. If I take the FIB tool and the retest, it is only 0.5%. So when it starts coming out of that, usually 0.5%. And it found a range here around this area and finally it broke above. Broke above, already you can see the moving averages started aligning themselves. If you go to the lower time frame, you can catch this move very early, but lower time frame decision making becomes a little bit difficult. But if you are an experienced price action trader, you can anticipate. See, here itself, around 22,238 itself, you could have entered into the trade, and later it started retesting this level. Only after this, there was a momentum trade. Momentum trade, again, there was retest. If you go there, 5 minutes, this is the picture. Retest around 22,340. No, sorry, here. 22,260. This was the thing. Actually, you could have cashed this move very early in the market around 22,248 in the lower time frame. But one need to be very, 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 very expert in that. Well, if you start seeing the market continuously, you can analyze. Another way of making this, these moving averages, actually, they are acting like a trend line. You can see if you draw the trend line from here, you can see the change. The price coming out of the trend line and retesting and double forming a range in this and range breakout. So at this time, I made a live tips video, so that all of you traders can get help from that. I asked everyone to close their short positions as soon as possible. And I anticipated for the target of 22,350. Why? What was the reason for that? Because I applied this profile, volume profile. This was the area. Actually, point of control was, this was the level 22,355. So I thought it may get rejected, but you can see this long, it continued to move higher. Long, big candle moving to the value area high. After that, a series of compression. You can see manipulation candles over here. Finally, a big candle broke out around 230 and retest of this, and it has taken support over here. Now it is going up. This move may continue, but if you can see the movement while closing, it was little bit like again this type of candlesticks. Probably it is because of the closing time, people will close. That is the reason. Now, if I apply the fib tool that comes from this level to this level, let me take this fib tool. Let me change it to the regular one so that we will get the targets. So 22,615, it is corresponding to the week's calculation of the daily high 22,642. So this is how one need to trade and properly and align themselves. Even the data, I was watching the data actually. Data was not telling. Actually, data was negative. Put call ratio and call writers and put writers, that ratio was negative. It was indicating still bearishness in the market. But the price action was telling, I am going to reverse. That's how I cautioned all the traders to cover their short positions. Okay, friends, this will help you for your wise trade and proper trade. If I am helpful in this way, I'm very glad and thankful to you all. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.